Alright guys, this is a video for my 2007 Honda Civic Si. Having issues to where when I have a cold start and I start to drive away, it feels like the engine is swaying back and forth. I'm not sure if it's a clutch issue or a motor mount issue. I'm going to go ahead and start the car. I don't have too many issues with vibration. The car idles fine, and if I'm on the freeway at high speeds, it rides fairly smoothly for being an old car. Currently have 120,000 miles on the car. See if you guys can hear it. Switch from gear to gear. You can hear it more when the vehicle is cold, when it's cold outside. If it's warmer outside, or if it just rained, or it's raining, you can't really hear it. Too much. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to hear it on the video. Another symptom that it has is that when I take off on first gear, and if I gun it all the way to 8,000 RPMs and I switch it into second gear, I do get this clunking sound. It chirps second gear. You know, the clutch has a lot of bite. But I do get this clunking sound, almost as if something's gonna break, and I just can't pinpoint what it is. So if anybody has any input, I'd appreciate it.